Montaze Broz is a worldwide installation company. Competencies are assembling and installation of racking systems. Montaze Broz is currently working on automatic shelving system. What this project makes special is we're working of 3 different areas spread over 50,000 square meters. Also, keeping up with time frame, it isn't an easy task to deliver machines and steel work. Scissor lifts are mandatory for this type of work. If there is no scissor lift, there is no racking whatsoever. Riwal give us a large support. I'd say without Riwal, we would be helpless, especially delivering machines on time and worldwide. What makes Riwal unique? Definitely in a stressful day, to hear somebody or someone from Riwal on the other side of the phone and calling for support for the service 24 hours a day, this is a major help for us. Machine availability and delivery times are mandatory for this type of job. Riwal has played a large role within this department because we always, as far as I'm concerned, we've always received machines on time in a good condition. We're definitely happy with Riwal and the way we have collaborated the last 10 years. And hoping to work another 10 years as a best partner.